Hey everyone, this is Jimmy from StockKingOptions.com, and today we're going to cover a option strategy which I found pretty interesting using our new tool called Flowalgo. Flowalgo is basically a tool which gives us gives us big trades placed on certain stocks, but only for option orders. So for any given day, uh, big orders come in. Excuse me. Big orders come in, and they're basically called out here. So this is the strategy of the option call flows. Um, this covers the. This will give you the time, the ticker, the expiration date, strike price, call or put, the price of the stock of when this order was placed, and the actual order, sweep, block, and split. Those are the three different types of orders. It just basically means they're big orders. And the premiums here, basically the cost of the option call. Today we're actually going to cover. We're going to go back into a couple of days ago. Today is the April 26th, 2020. We're actually going to go to Thursday, April 23rd. And this is for stock FCX. This is a strategy that I actually wanted to look into. Uh, these were obviously big orders coming in for 50, basically 90, almost $100,000 coming in. And this is the interesting part. These came in at 3:49 p.m. This is Eastern time. So these came in 10 minutes before the stock market closed. And as you could see, the expiration date was next day. Here, strike price was $8. It was a call. The price of the stock was $7.85, so it was just out of the money, and they bought 2,000 contracts at 25 cents, and this cost them $50,000. So let's take a look at TradingView. Just want to check here, FCX. So FCX. So if you want to think about it, this person, whoever it was, came in 10 minutes before the market closed and placed a $50,000 order. Someone else, or could have been the same person, came in and placed a $45,000 order for an option call. So as you can see here, basically coming in here, it was this. The graph was coming in. I'm sorry, the candlesticks were coming in, touched the 200 EMA, which is what I'm showing here. So basically, this option call was placed at this time, at these two times here. So it was a call, as you can see here. It was a call, and it was supposed to be over the strike price was over $8. At open the next day, look what happened. The stock jumps up over $8, so now you're in the money, and kept rising here. Rising. So at 25 cents here. So the option call cost 25 cents here, jumped here, and they started profiting here. So this is a strategy which I've found that you could take advantage of coming in here and following the smart money. That's one example that I like to give. Another one is actually DIA. Same type of strategy. This order was placed on April 23rd at 3:51 p.m. Same with these are two different trades. Strike price 235, call. This option contract cost $676,000. So you could just imagine if this basically they put over $500,000 into a 1 day option trade. If that option does not hit or drops down, they're losing almost over over $500,000 in 1 day. So the strategy of taking advantage of Flowalgo is coming in here and following what basically these big orders are doing. Let's go check DIA and let's see what happened. So if you could see here, they placed their order at 3:51 p.m. which is this is in Pacific Standard Time because I'm in Los Angeles. They placed their order just about this time here, and they placed another order here. So it was in between these two times, or actually it was within this candlestick. The next day, look what happens. Their strike price was $235, and it was a call, so they expected it to go up. Kept dropping once the market closed, so it closed at about market closed at 253.08, and then immediately jumps the next day, and it actually rises and hits a high of $237.19. Now you can imagine how much they profited off. They profited from this, from basically, let's say, $800,000 from this small move here because it was an option. So this is a way you could take advantage of Flowalgo by following the smart money, basically mimicking the trade that they're doing and taking advantage of a move like this. This is what I've seen constantly on Thursdays, obviously because the contract is ending the next day, as this is the 23rd and this is ending on the 24th. So this is a strategy that we've started to implement over at StockKingOptions.com. And if you like strategies like this and you'd like to see more, let us know. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for joining. If you'd like to join one of our trading rooms, we have two, a gold and a platinum. One is focused on swing trading and one is on day trading. If you'd like to join, please DM us on Instagram. Hope to see you soon, or we'll hope to put another video up soon. And till then.